Good evening, everyone. Last time we learned how to add algebraic terms with number terms or the addition of algebraic terms. Today our lesson is how to subtract algebraic terms from number term or algebraic terms each other. So without further delay, let me explain how to do the subtraction of algebraic symbols. First of all, we will take a numerical expression. John has 10 mangoes. Jane has 3 less than that. How many mangoes does Jane have? What we have to do is, John has 10 men. Jane has 3 less, means we have to subtract 3 from 10 because Jane has lower number of mangoes in comparison to John's number, and which is 3 less than 10. So what we have to do is we have to subtract 3 from 10 and we can get an answer here, which is 7. Keep in mind that both terms are number terms or numerical terms. Hence we can subtract without hesitation. Okay, next question. What if one of these terms is an algebraic term? Okay. 10 minus 3 equals 7. That is the answer for the first question. So the second question or the next example. Ronaldo is X years old. Rivaldo's age is 3 less than that. How old is Rivaldo? Okay, Ronaldo is X years old. Rivaldo age is 3 less than that. Okay, if Ronaldo's age is a number term, we know to find Rivaldo's age, what we have to do is we have to subtract 3 from Ronaldo's age. Ronaldo's age is X. So here what we have to do is we have to subtract 3 from X. But the thing is, these are quite unusual because we are not comfortable with these terms. One is an algebraic term, other one is a number term. So normally we subtract 3 from 10, 3 from 15 likewise. But here we have to subtract 3 from X because Ronaldo age is given as X. So here what we have to subtract 3 from X. But here the thing is, we don't know the exact value of X, or X is a different term in comparison to number term. X is an algebraic term, so we can't go beyond. Okay, if both are number terms, we can get a final answer. But when these are different terms, one is algebraic and other is number term, so we can't go further. So the final result is X minus 3 itself. More than that we can't make it simplified. Keep it in mind. So Ronaldo's age is X years old, Rivaldo's age is 3 less, means you have to subtract 3 from X. More than that we can't do because one is an algebraic term, other one is a number term. So this is the final answer. It's an algebraic equation, not a single digit or single outcome. It's an expression. Keep it in mind. Next question. Michael Ballack or Ballack scored the goals. The goals. Closer. Closer means also, Closer and Ballacks are German football players, former German football players. They are quite good at scoring goals. Both are very good at penalties as well as scoring goals. That is out of the point. Now we'll come to the sum. Ballack scored D goals, Closer scored 2 less than that. How many goals did Closer score? Okay, Ballack scored G goals, Closer scored 2 less than. 2 less means we have to subtract 2 from D. Okay, Ballack scored D goals, Closer scored 2 less than D means you have to subtract 2 from D. But the thing is we can't subtract, we can't go beyond, further, we can't go further. Why? Because one is an algebraic term, other one is a number term. So you can't give answers like 2D or D2 or 2 or whatever, or maybe 1 or 3 or nothing. You can't get a single digit here. Okay, simply this is the final answer itself. Okay, you can't get a single answer. Okay, only the expression itself is the answer. So D minus 2 itself is the answer. 2 less than D means D minus 2. More than that we can't simplify because one is an algebraic term, other one is a number term. So the answer is D minus 2. Most of all you must know some trick. Okay, if it is x, okay, and if there is no number in front of x, we write it as 1x. If the term is y, if there is no number in front of y, that means 1y. If the symbol is z, that is 1z, because no number in front of z means it is 1z. A, B, L, all these are 1A, 1B and 1L. Okay, front there is no number means is 1. Then 2x means 2x, 2a means 2a, 3b means 3b. But when there is no number front of the algebraic symbol is then 1 itself. Keep it in mind. Next question. Next I thought of trying a subtraction of again a number term and an algebraic term. Okay, look, Messi has 10 cupboards. Or 10, what we call 10 mangoes. We will take it as that. Cavani has X mangoes less than that. How many mangoes does Cavani have? Messi has 10 mangoes, Cavani has X mangoes less than that. X mangoes less means you have to subtract X from 10, not 10 from X. Normally, other sums, we subtract number term from the algebraic term. But according to this sum, we have to subtract algebraic term from the number term. Why? That's how the sum is given. Because Messi has 10, X means X is less than 10. So Messi has 10 mangoes, Cavani has X mangoes less means you have to subtract X from 10. So the answer is 10 minus X. More than that we can't simplify. Okay. Next. What else? Suarez owns tea houses. Lukaku owns 3 less than that. How many houses does Lukaku own? Okay, suppose U less than that. Suarez owns T houses, Suarez owns U houses less than that. Now here, both these terms are different to each other. One is a T term and other is a U term. And Lukaku owns U less than T means you have to subtract U from T. Suarez owns T houses, Lukaku owns U less than that. U less means you have to subtract U from T. But more than that we can't carry on. Why? Because one is a T term and other is a U term. So we can't simplify further. But suppose if it is two terms such as 7x minus 2x, hence we can subtract because both terms are x's, so it will be 5x. I'll talk about this when I start recording some other videos later. At the moment, just keep it in mind. We can't subtract U from T because two are different terms, different algebraic terms. That is why. Final question. Harry Kane H centimeters tall. Harry Kane is 8 centimeters tall. And who else? Ronaldinho is 2 centimeters shorter than him. How shorter is the height of? Oh, what is the height of? What is the height of Ronaldinho? Okay. Harry Kane is 8 centimeters tall. Okay. Harry Kane is 3 centimeters tall. 3 centimeters. Keep it as 3. Harry Kane is 3 centimeters tall. Ronaldinho is 2 centimeters shorter than him. Ronaldinho is 2 centimeters shorter than him. What is the height of Ronaldinho? So here what we have to do is we have to subtract 2 from 3a. 2 from 3a. Other than that we can't continue. Why? This is an h term, this is a number term. Don't write the answer as 1 or 1h. These are wrong. Because even though there is a number front of h, this is an h term. 3h, not 3. 3h, this is together. And this is a number term, 2 itself. So we can't subtract 2 from 3h. So the final answer here is an algebraic expression. That means 3h minus 2. This is the final answer. That's it for today. Thank you very much.